and something stimulating. Slovenia is alive with natural, cultural, and ethnological diversity and is like no other place on earth. If you are an adrenaline buff, or someone who enjoys the untouched natural, if your happiness is mobile and vibrant like the Socha trout, which has a unique color, and if you like whirlpool waters, then come to Slovenia. If you want the greenery of the virgin forest, or the whiteness of the snow-capped slopes, in the same day, and see all this before the sun sets somewhere in the direction of Venice, exchange your skis for a jet ski and enjoy the azure waters of the Adriatic Sea with its impressive Mediterranean towers. If you are attracted by the magnificent mysticism of underground caves, covered by an eternity of soluble limestone veils and lace that beautifies them, then the Postojna cave is for you. Its beauty is unique, and it has a unique railway network.
What do you think? That is great, isn't it? What do you think?
If holiday making for you means pampering your body and spirit, if being healthy, feeling good, and physical appearance are important values to you, then cross the threshold to Slovenia, a thermal country where health goes hand in hand with modernity. For everyone whose holidays are actually work, knowledge and business, Slovenia is a crossroads of new business experiences with every comfort and modern